Imagine yourself in this Ram 2019 1500 Classic Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include quick order package 22 Tradesman included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 845 RE, Tradesman package, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 845 RE, STD, 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT, STD, radio, Uconnect 3.0 included, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, tires, P265/70R17 BSWS, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7 steel, STD, diesel gray black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat and Sirius XM satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM